Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning both your hands and the clip earring with an alcohol wipe so oils don't shift fit. Next, inspect the hinge, spring, or adjustment screw. Make sure nothing is bent or loose. Once done, determine the exact spot on your earlobe where the earring will sit, closer to the front for studs, slightly back for dangles, and gently open the clip to its natural resting position to prepare for placement. You should align the front decorative face to the chosen lobe spot, holding the back steady with one finger and the front with the other. Make sure any cushion pads are placed on the inner surfaces. Thin gel or rubber pads reduce pinch and improve grip. Then close the clip slowly until you feel even pressure across the lobe. Listen and feel for a gentle click or consistent resistance. If it tilts, reopen and readjust alignment. You finish by wearing the clip for 20 to 30 minutes and checking that there's no numbness or excessive redness. Make sure it feels secure without pinching. If it's too tight, loosen the tension screw a quarter turn or add a thin adhesive pad. If too loose, tighten slightly or switch to a thicker pad. For troubleshooting, if the clip pinches repeatedly, move it a bit forward on the lobe or replace with a soft cushion. That almost always fixes pressure points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.